Watch this game between chess legends Henry Edward Bird and Wilhelm Steinitz. Want to see more? Share and subscribe. You can help me keep this channel going. Pawn to f4. Pawn to e5. Pawn takes e5. Pawn to d6. Pawn takes d6. Bishop takes d6. Knight to f3. Knight to f6. Pawn to d4. Knight to c6. Bishop to g5. Bishop to g4. Pawn to e3. Queen to d7. Bishop takes f6. Pawn takes f6. Bishop to b5. Queenside castling. Pawn to d5. Queen to e7. Bishop takes c6. Queen takes e3, check. Queen to e2. Queen to c1, check. Queen to d1. Rook to e8, check. Bishop takes e8. Rook takes e8, check. King to f2. Queen to e3, check. King to f1. Bishop takes f3. Pawn takes f3. Bishop to c5. King to g2. Rook to g8, check. Black wins the game. If you enjoyed this game analysis, don't forget to like and subscribe for more chess content.